Start After Effects. First, we import the music footage. To do that, click File, Import, File. We are importing the file bit.aif. Click Import. File is imported to project. The imported music file is visible in the project panel. Second, we create new composition. Click Composition, New Composition. Select a suitable composition setting, in this case, NTSC DV. Take a look at the composition properties. Rename composition to box scales to bit. Click OK. New composition appears in the composition panel. Click the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle of any size. A layer named Shape Layer 1 is created in the composition panel. You can change the color and remove the stroke. Drag bit a.aif file to the composition panel below the shape layer. Right-click the bit AIF layer. Choose Keyframe Assistant. Convert audio to keyframes. Audio amplitude layer is created. Expand this layer. Expand effects. Then expand both channels. You can zoom in to see audio keyframes. Expand the shape layer. Then expand transform. Alternate click the scale stopwatch to add an expression. With the expression selected, click the peak wick icon and drag it to the slide property name under both channels category in the audio amplitude layer. Click and edit the expression as shown. Type +150 between the closing parentheses and the semicolon. You can experiment with different numbers. Preview the composition by pressing the spacebar on your keyboard.